Look what we have here, 1960. Look what we have here, a 1956 Ford Customline. This isn't a car you see very often, and the colors just drew me to it. The red and black, really attractive car. And then once I got close to it, I seen the condition of the fit and finish. Really nice. 302 motor, overdrive automatic trans, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, frame off restored. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 beautiful cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can scan this QR code and it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the gentleman that owned it was a body man. He had the car for a number of years. It was like a 10, 12-year ongoing project, but boy, the end result is fantastic. He shaved the hood ornament off, so it's just a nice, clean, smooth hood. This is all absolutely straight, not a dimple or ripple. The red is vibrant. All this is really sharp. All the way down to the bottom is smooth. The roof is smooth and straight. All this is real nice. Store looks like it could be pulled in a little bit. Straight, clean, not a bubble, not a bump. All nice, beautiful, clean. The gaps are all real nice. Yeah, the red and the black just looks great on this car. And it's smooth and like glass. Both colors are like glass. Look at all this here, all the way down to the bottom. Just a mere finish red. Nice body lines, all clean. The rockers, even under the rockers, are clean. The roof is nice. All the trim's real nice. All clean, straight. So the paint and body works excellent. There's a shop next door. They would charge 30, 35 grand for this body and paint. It does look like at least most of or all of the chrome and trim's been redone. Door handles look new. The moldings down the side look new. Up front here, all this chrome is beautiful. Even the grill, this looks like it's all been redone or replaced. Beautiful. Windshield's crystal clear. That looks new. The rubber gasket's new. The trim around it looks like it's been buffed real nice. It is straight. Gaskets around the side windows look real good. The fuzzy strips have been replaced. And it's sitting on 15-inch chrome plated. I think these are American Racing Special Edition wheels with extreme ZR tires. I think those are Nittos. Rear glass is in really nice shape. And it's unique. You don't see the custom lines. You see the fair lanes, but that's pretty cool. Now the back bumper is smooth. Notice there's no bumper bolts, no seams. It's a smoothie bumper. Tail lights have been replaced. All this chrome trim here, all real nice, beautiful. So the exterior of the car is really, really nice looking, really sharp. Let's open up the inside. All right, just look at how beautiful this paint is on this car. Really exceptional. Now the trunk springs are weak and we couldn't find replacements offhand. But underneath here is all nice and clean. The weather strips replaced. The jam is slick. Inside is all clean, solid metal. They filled in the wheel well for the spare. We got a new mat for it. And then, of course, the battery is relocated to the trunk there. But just nice, clean, tidy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Yeah, glass is really nice on this car. I wonder if they replaced it. The back window's new, side glass I think's new. Anyway, the door jambs are also painted slick. Nice two-tone in there with new weather strip. The inside metal trim is painted and the door panels have been custom upholstered. It does have the original handles and cranks on it. And once we climb in here, you'll see all nice, clean, tidy. I'm not sure what would have been there originally, but that's missing. But overall, very nice and tidy. We did put a New electric wiper system. You know, these were vacuum. They didn't work very well at all. I think that cost us about $1,000 with labor. It has the radio block-off plate, so radio delete. Again, all clean, tidy. Kick panels are nice. It has the real nice premium carpet, this tight square loop carpet. It's real nice, and there is sound deadener underneath of it. The seats were professionally reupholstered. They got nice cushion, and look at all the stitching and the seams. Everything's real nice. They're not all wrinkly. And you can see the carpet back here is also just as nice, and all the upholstery work's done real well. Back seat matches the front and the side panels too. And then even the rear shelf is done with that premium carpet. And the headliner was replaced, new black headliner. The visors are done to match. And then they've added this nice tilt column with this beautiful custom steering wheel. So yeah, very nice interior. I didn't mention there's 3 gauges down under the dash for oil, temperature, and probably volts. Those are working, those are accurate. So this is a 302 motor, and it really threw me because I see the 2 bolts. That's what the old Y-block engines would have had. Well, this is a cover over the valve cover. You can see the bolts for the 302 valve covers under there. So they wanted to make it look authentic, I guess. But that's an aluminum intake that's painted. Holley carburetor. Firewall's all smoothed out and real clean. Look at all the metal in here. They chose this car because the metal was so clean. Stainless steel headers. Electric choke. That's a dual feed Holley carb. Now they started adding air conditioning. You got the compressor here, and look down here how the lines are going to be plumbed in through the inner fender, and it does connect to a condenser up front, but you still have some work to go to get working air conditioning. Aluminum radiator keeps the engine running cool. It's a 12-volt system now, so new alternators, serpentine belt, new clutch fan, power steering, and it has a Pro Comp electronic ignition system, upgraded power brakes with a dual reservoir master cylinder. And again, everything's neat, clean, tidy, painted nice, and the springs are weak on the hood as well. And so you can use a prop rod, or I'm sure over time you'd find the springs, but we couldn't find the right ones. Michael's going to take you for a ride and show you how nice it runs. So this was body off the frame. I could see new body mounts. Underneath is super clean. It's like the engine compartment. It's all smooth metal with a nice semi-gloss black finish. It has a Mustang 2 front independent suspension with rack and pinion steering. The shocks look like they've been replaced in back. The fuel tank is new. The dual exhaust system is new. And it is upgraded with disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. That's a nice upgrade. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. It has AOD, that's automatic overdrive, Ford automatic transmission, an aluminum drive shaft. Goes back to the 8.8 Mustang rear end. Just everything's fresh in this car. the springs, we got the heater blower to work. It just blows out on the floor, but if you're gonna put AC in there, that all kind of goes with that. So little tinkering you can still do, but what you're paying for is the fit, the finish, the beauty, all the upgrades that this car has. It's a nice one. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this Customline delivered to your door. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.